seems to be the problem.
He hit my car, officer. Look, I got the proof right here.
He got a flip phone! Hey, how much for them J's? $1,000. So,
Yo, you gotta get this new app.
it's free?
$1.
No! No!
You talk to other girls, I'm not gonna find
I
out.
don't talk to
Yeah, you
other
think
girls.
it's
I don't even look at any
It's
girls,
not
okay?
right.
I'm on Facebook. What are you doing? What, a black man can't have a TV?
No, you can be black and have a TV.
Yeah. Go put these masks on because it's cold out.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, let me get 4 large pizzas, a million hot wings, and family-sized pasta.
And give me some.
Get this nigga a cup of ice, that's it.
Oh my god, yes, I do.
Oh, calm down, bitch. I'm just tying my shoelace and put the flower back in the vase. I need some water. I stole his Wi-Fi password. Yeah, that's him. You call this what? Yeah, it did. It's just the Wi-Fi.
Not too bad.
Can he watch Netflix?